Welcome back to the channel. Let's design an eye-catching product discount poster that drives sales and grabs attention. Create a new document and place your product photo centrally and move it background. Add a large burst shape behind the product to make it pop. Create a prominent circle for the main discount percentage. Type the discount percentage in bold, contrasting numbers and off text next to the percentage in smaller bold letters. Include a short, urgent headline like sale and shown above the product. Add product detail and key features in bullet points. Place a limited time offer disclaimer in the smaller text at the bottom. Apply a subtle drop shadow to the product and text element. Add sparkle